How to log in TSN account. Open any browser of your choice. Tap on the search bar. Search for www.tsn.ca. Search for it. You'll be led to the official website of TSN. Tap on the three lines that you can see at top. Tap on the option Sign In. Now you'll be able to sign in using your Bull Media account. You can sign in with email address, or you can also sign in through TV provider. You can also activate the subscription through provider. Tap on the sign in method of your choice. I'm going to sign in with email address. Enter your email address over here. Tap on the option Continue. If you have the TSN account, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Enter your password and you'll be logged into the TSN account. Like this, you can log in TSN account. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.